Dear student, today I tell you stencil work. Just required any paper, fold it, first fold, then second fold, third fold is important because when you fold it, then this is the open side and this is the center side. Just pick from center side paper, fold it in triangle shape, just triangle shape, and draw any design those you want like a half circle, this type of circle, and this is a circle, and again triangle, this triangle. Now you can be a half circle, this time this is triangle inside. Now this is very easy. Now immediate cut circle like this, cut, again cut. Those design I draw, we can be cut, this is also cut. This is triangle. First we cut from there like this, again we cut from there, this triangle shape cut. Now our stencil is ready. Open it, open and open. This is your stencil, is ready for work. You can use multi-time this one in spray painting, like use watercolor with toothbrush, then you can be spray. Otherwise you can be use any wax color for this stencil. This is a one time made, you can be used so many times. Okay, thank you. Dear student, we required multicolor strips. You can take any color. I have red and yellow I am taking, and cut in a half centimeter strip. Minimum 10 to 16 strips we required for this one. We have taken a half centimeter cut, and this one 8 to 10 inch length. First we required 4 circle for work. Like this I am cutting 4 circle of chart paper. This one 4 circle is ready. Now we are using glue. Just paste one circle, paste one strip like this, again second strip like this, third. Every time use glue and alternate color using for sticking. You have first yellow and red, again red and yellow. When all strips stick like this, all strips stick like this, then again a single circle. Just use glue and paste by other circle. Okay, now this look, this type look is appear. Okay, now taking a strip, any stick, you have any good stick, then you can be used, but I have this iron stick, so I wrap by any other paper, any other strip, wrap by any other paper like this. Okay, we wrap it by other paper like this one.
रूबी ये बड़ा बड़ा कागज उठा ले बेटा। मैम
हाँ
हमको पेस्ट सर बोला है।
हमको को अरे भैया काम में कर रहे हैं। हट
मैम राखी बंधन बना रही हैं। बस ऐसे से
हम उसको झाड़ू
अरे लगाइए तो देख रहे हैं हम भी बना रही हैं।
और खाने नाम ले रहे हैं
I'm
Student, cover your stick by any other paper. Now taken this roll strip, small 1 inch square, and roll on this strip. Just roll on this strip. This is required movable. Just required movable strip. Again, one by one, those strip I have taken this here. Just close all strips, stick on this movable sheets like this one, like this one, opposite and opposite. Just required dryness, one by one stick here. After covering all strip is here, use glue and again other strip roll on this one. Other strip roll on this one for covering. Just full cover we required. Just we require full cover. Press proper. Press it proper. Now you can move it. This is a simple play. Now you can move it like this one. This is a simple play game imitation for you. You can be this one and play for children. Thank you.